Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, there's a lot of wind on the way. Tomorrow will be a pretty windy day, and it looks windy right up to Tuesday of next week with some snow in the forecast Friday and Saturday. Not necessarily a lot of accumulation, but boy, with the snow and the cold and the winds, it's definitely going to feel like the middle of winter once again. And then after that cold snap, perhaps a little warm up with some sleet, going to rain, and then back to a little bit of snow once we get into early next week. But the snow's all been south, southwest, and east of here today. Hey, we had up to 4 inches in south central Indiana this morning, and we had up to 6 inches in Missouri. Now we've got the snow here from southern Ohio and Pennsylvania, and places got 30 inches of snow may pile on. 4-inch snow tonight over parts of Long Island. But our next system coming in from the northwest, there's a little clipper developing out here, moving southward, and there are two cold fronts. One has a little cold air behind it. The other one has much more cold air behind it. And you notice, here's the viewing area, and there's all the snow showers upstream. So certainly snow showers in our forecast, again, once we get to Friday. Winds crank up tomorrow as the first cold front approaches. So not much wind early in the morning, but then as we go through the day, the gusts up to 40 around 4 p.m., near 40 at 2 p.m., then backing off just a hair at 6 p.m. But we warm up into the 40s, 30 at 8 a.m., but a high near 46 degrees before the first front cuts us back to the upper 30s by 6 p.m. Upper 20s area-wide tonight, 29 Attica, Romney, 27 Burlington and Rochester, and tomorrow, again, mid-40s area-wide, those some upper 40s down in our far south, 48 at Crawfordsville, 46 with all that wind at Burlington and Flora, and about 46 at Monticello as well as Lafayette. Friday, these numbers will most likely be during the morning hours, then they'll slowly fall. A windy day with some scattered snow showers, 29 Rensselaer, 32 Lafayette to 33 at Kirkland Forest, as well as Frankfort and Mulberry. So here we go. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. First front is approaching at that point. Comes through later on in the day with the gusty winds. Then tomorrow night, colder air comes in. We get some scattered snow showers. Second Arctic front arrives, and notice the blue. Scattered snow showers around. We'll have some of these around through the day Friday and also into Friday night and at least part of Saturday. 1 inch or less of accumulation in places as the little clipper drops south and rounds the bend, moves off to the northeast. We're going to have to watch to make sure that doesn't form into another nor'easter, but that one won't affect us much. What will, though? The Arctic air, and again, some scattered snow showers around before we see a brief little warm-up next week. So Valentine's Day looks good, 46, just windy. Cools off rapidly by the weekend. Rising temperatures Sunday night. Monday may start out as sleet, go to rain, and then it may end as some snow Tuesday as temps fall from the high of 40 in the morning and only 27 on Wednesday. So, you know, Valentine's Day not too bad at 46 degrees, but boy, if you're headed out for dinner or lunch or anything like that for Valentine's Day, boy, hang on. Pretty gusty day.
Yeah, with those clippers coming in, it looks like we got a long stretch of days that are going to be pretty windy.
Oh, yeah, tomorrow right through Tuesday, gusts easily 30 to 40.
Okay. All right, thanks, Chad.
Thanks, Chad. Well, a really big game tonight for Purdue basketball.
Yeah, because this is a team they can beat. They have beaten, but they got to get back